Alright guys, I want to show you my haul from Sam's Club. I got me some red roses. I haven't had flowers in so long. These Oreos came from Family Dollar, as well as the Friskies and some car drops and 2 bags of brown sugar. And a bag of cat food. And then from Sam's Club, I got a pecan pie. I got croissants, the large ones, and honey. I got this, the variety pack of Danishes. Cinnamon crumb cake, cherry, French toast swirl, blueberry, and apple ice Danish. So it is, how many in each one? 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 Danishes each one. Okay, I also got another thing of apple cider. I have a 3-pack of French onion dip. I also got some corn tortilla chips with sea salt. And I used to buy these all the time when my girls was little. Some country time. What else? Oh, some vanilla ice cream. I got the 4-pack of sweet cream unsalted butter. I got some whole cashews lightly salted. And also I got roasted garlic and herb seasoning. I got how much is this? This is 30 links in here and 42 sausage patties. For breakfast, I got 2 things of water and large paper towel and large tissue. So, yeah, I'm going to put all my goodies up. And yeah, that is what I got from Sam and Family Dollars. So I'm about to put all my goodies up. I should have got some more paper plates, but those over there will have to do. All right, guys, let's get this stuff put away. that square ice in there. Listen, about that time, y'all. My house is clean. It's full of groceries. My babies are here. Listen, I'm grateful. Yes, look at that. Oh, it's going up to the top. It's going up to the top, y'all.